Sunday dinner in Sharon's kitchen, August 22nd, 2021. I have steamed chicken wings, which I steamed down in its own broth. I did not add any water. I just steam it down in its own broth. It tastes awesome. It's organic chicken wings. Then I have some beets, steamed beets, cauliflower I fried up, cauliflower rice, which I fried up. And then I have cauliflower, steamed cauliflower plain, some squash sauteed up. Then I have my favorite spinach and okra. Ooh, it's awesome. Then I have some fried up kidney beans, fried up, and some collard greens, plain collard greens steamed with a drizzle of olive oil. So that's my Sunday spread for August 22nd. Sunday dinner in Sharon's kitchen. Yay, yay. Sunday dinner in Sharon's kitchen. Signing off. Bless up.